With tension continuing to prevail in the volatile Manipur state, Indian Army conducted a flag march in the Impal Valley even as hundreds of the Hindu women in the several districts of the state took to the streets against the Christian people. Methi women raised slogans demanding the implementation of the controversial National Register of Citizens. Women are the worst victims of the Indian forces' brutalities in the occupied Kashmir, as New Delhi is using rape as a weapon to suppress the Kashmiri struggle for the right to self-determination. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day for the Elimination of Sexual Violence in Conflict today revealed that Indian forces personnel had sexually assaulted over 11,259 women during the last 34 years in the occupied territory. High Court of the occupied Kashmir recently issued a notice on a plea by Iltija Javed, daughter of Mehbooba Mufti, challenging the issuance of a conditional passport that restricts the scope of her travel abroad. As per the condition prescribed by the passport authorities, she can only travel to the UAE and only for the purpose of her higher studies. Congress Working President Raman Bhalla has said that the BJP regime has left the people of occupied Jammu and Kashmir in complete despair, with outsiders ruling the roost and the locals deprived of their jobs. The attempt by Narendra Modi-led Indian government to hide its crime and project its so-called normalcy narrative in the occupied Kashmir has fallen flat after the delegation of retired judges and top jurists postponed the visit to Srinagar, citing security threat. Hundreds of people on Monday reached the Martyrs' Graveyard of Islamabad and paid tributes to Mirwais of the South Kashmir, Dr. Qazi Nisar Ahmad, on the occasion of his martyrdom anniversary. Dr. Qazi Nisar Ahmad was assassinated by unidentified gunmen in Anantnag on June 19, 1994. Hundreds of his followers, including elders and children, offered Fatiha to the slain leader.